how to access Instagram story camera. So if you want more videos like this, click that subscribe button and that bell icon on so you'll be updated if there are more uploads in this channel. So right now we are here on our phone and let's go to the Play Store. So once in your Play Store, just type in Instagram and search for it. So we will be checking for updates. So there are no updates available. So just click on open. So we are here in our Instagram account now. And here you will see my story. So normally in your story, when you add your story by clicking on your profile, you will see the camera button right here. But if you don't see it, this is what you can do. Go to your home page of the app and click on the plus icon and go to the story, and that's it. So you can now access your camera for your stories on your Instagram, and you can also try some filters on. So this is all working. So I hope this helps you, and click like and subscribe, and also see you on the next video.